Welcome to my channel. I'm Matthew, and today's shave is going to be with SouthernComfort Shave Stick by HC&C, and this is the White Star base. It is not the premium base like I had in the last channel, and I'm going to be doing a giveaway for another shave stick, and the scent on this is Cool Stream Shave Soap. So I'm not going to give away the one that I want to use. I'm going to give away one of the new ones. So before we get started, go ahead and comment below. And in order to win, you must be a subscriber and make a comment. Any comment will work for me. Real quick, I'm going to wet my face. Oh yes, it's Wednesday, Will It Shave Wednesday. And the Will It Shave is going to be the shave soap. I know it's going to shave. I've shaved with it in the past. But you guys may not have seen it, and so I'm doing this just for you. So let's see, what do I want to talk about before I get too carried away? Today's razor is going to be the Occams razor, and I call this the Nano razor. It was black. I removed the black off of it and polished it, so it is a very nice, shiny stainless steel razor. I do have the Feather Artisan Club blade in there. And what was I going to say? Oh yes, the reason I call that the Nano is because it does say it is called the O.R.E.N. And if you look up the abbreviation, it is Occams Razor Enhanced Nano. But I do believe that one of his son's names is actually O.R.E.N. So, you know, it's kind of a twofold thing, which is nice. So let's get back to the shave. What are we going to do? Well, I'm going to go ahead and just take my brush and kind of dab out the water in it. And whatever water is left in there, I'm just going to kind of apply it to my face real quick. All right, and the scent on this particular, let's let you look at the soap here. Oh yes, it is a nice tobacco and bourbon smell, and I love it. I think I like it more than the Julio Reserve, to be honest. And so we're not using any pre-shave because this is a shave stick. Now, I think I showed you guys in the past one of the shave sticks that I had, and it was round, and the square shave stick is actually nicer because it's not going to twist and rotate in your hand. So this particular soap is geared towards people that may want to spend less on their shave, and that bar actually comes in just a little over $5, which I think is an excellent deal. And if you are someone that would like to use Arco, but you just can't stand that fresh lemon scent, this is why Pete came up with the White Star soap. And I believe it is a very good idea. So let's go ahead and get a little bit of water here on the brush and start the face lather. And you can tell it didn't really take much. This is the Semouge Boar brush, and it is the 820/830 because I can never remember what it is. I know it's not the 600 series. And so this soap was one of the soaps that Pete generously sent in that order that I had placed a while back. And he said I could do what I wanted with these soaps. And I didn't want to have too many giveaways back to back, so I'll spread them out a little bit. I will have one more giveaway after this, so be on the lookout for that. And I say, look at that lather. Nice. All right. Let's go ahead and warm up the razor here. And I already put the blade in there because I didn't want to be all fumbly on the video. So let's go ahead and get our shave going. I do have 2 days worth of growth. plenty of residual slickness there. And, you know, with every soap, if you lather it correctly, or should I say, if you don't like a thick lather, it will, I thought I had something there, piece of fuzz, but that's not what it was. If you lather your soaps not real thick, it'll have no problem rinsing out of the razor. If you like a thick lather, then you'll just have to take a little bit more effort to rinse it, but oh yeah, man, this is some good stuff. Have you guys used the White Star shave soap, shave stick? Very nice. One of the things I was going to mention about the giveaway, next Wednesday, I will announce the winner. I don't want to wait too long because I may forget and I don't want people to get too impatient. I think I'll need to add just a little bit of water here. Now I got my hand all soapy. Plenty of lather in the brush from the first little addition to the face. If you like a little bit more lather, you can always apply more soap to the face or brush, whichever you choose. Looks nice. All right, here we go for pass 2 across the grain. And when I polished this razor, I kind of thought after the fact, you know, how slick is this thing going to be, because it's nice and shiny. And it's hard to show on camera, but if you look right in here, it's actually kind of got a texture. And I don't know if that's from, I got a brush hair there. I don't know if that's from the forging or just the manufacturing process. And they may have put that in there intentionally. Not sure. You know, you don't see too many people advertising this razor or having it in shave videos. And I kind of wonder why. It is a nice shaver. And I will say that it does kind of look like a vegetable peeler. And the original version, the handle in the middle wasn't cut out. And so it kind of gives you a little something extra to grip onto. And I do have that one. If you remember, it was the gold-plated version. And I was having some issues with the gold plating rubbing off. And I did contact the manufacturer to try to take advantage of the lifetime warranty. And they did request for me to send the razor in so they could check it out. Which I would have preferred them just to say, hey, send that in. We got your new one on the way. Oh yeah, look at that. Let me get it cleaned up with a cold water rinse and I will be right back. I am back after that little rinse, and wow, what an excellent shave. The old whiskey ice cube for post shave. Oh, I love that. And the old Lancaster orange sheet towel. Very nice. You know what I forgot in the beginning of the video? A scent profile. And I know that I had told you that I thought it smelled like bourbon and tobacco. And that does smell very nice. But I will put a scent profile right here. And if you're interested in the ingredients, instead of having you know, for me to have you go to the website and look it up, I'll put it right here so you can take a look at it. And if you do wish to try the soap, I will put the link in the description box of HC&C's website, so you can just go right there and click on it. I have no affiliation with HC&C, but I did reach out to Pete and he did send me the sample, so there you go. And let's see here, what am I going to use? Oh yes, I'm going to use some Splash. And one of the things that I want to talk about Pete's system, you know how you can get these little scent oils. If you know, are one of those people that just like to have, you know, an unscented base soap or splash or balm, you can buy those little vials of scent oils and just add a drop or two as you're using it, and then you just have one soap, and that's very nice. But for me, instead of just putting a drop in my aftershave splash in my hand, because it gets kind of fiddly when you have big hands like I do, and when you're on the camera and you're recording, sometimes it's not real easy to do. So I went ahead and mixed up my own. Oh yes, and I've got my restrictor in there. Oh yeah, that's so good. I need another little splash, maybe two. Oh, that smells good, feels good, makes you feel like a new man. And you know the drill, there's no shave complete in Matthew's shave videos without some star jelly. Let's go ahead and get some of that applied. Ooh. And so I will have a picture right here of everything that I used today. And if you enjoyed the shave, come back and see me next week. I really appreciate it. Or don't wait till Wednesday. Come back Saturday. No, not Saturday. Sunday. Come back for Sunday shave and see me. I will have a new shave ready to go to share with you. And I do appreciate you guys watching. I will see you on Sunday shave.